If you're looking for a reliable, professional, and affordable mobile small engine repair service, well, you've come to the right place. Whether you need snow blower, pressure washer and lawnmower, generator or tiller service, or tune-ups, we can do it all. We're proud to be the top local small engine company, and we can arrange to fix your small engine today, or when you need us. Let us do the work for you. We have years of experience, and we'll have your lawn equipment working great throughout the year. Contact us now for a free, no-obligation quote. Find out why so many local residents count on us for all of their equipment needs.